thing first, we are going to draw a triangle, just a triangle. If you remember, I taught you how to draw 60 degrees angle and 30 degrees angle. Am I right? Do you still remember? Okay, I am going to draw them again. This one I can call it 3 centimeter. This line, and let me call this line AB. Do you remember in the beginning when I taught you that all these lines, they are made up of what? Small points, okay? All these points, they are so closely joined to each other that from far it looks like a line. Now there are a lot of points between A and B. We are not interested in those points. We are only interested in first point and last point, end point. Are we together? Yes. Okay. At end point, we can draw, let's draw an angle. Which angle do you want to draw? 60 again, okay, no problem. I am going to listen to you. We are going to draw what? A 60 degrees angle. Sorry, this one is going to... Okay, let's see whether this is 60 degrees angle or not. This point we can join with the starting point, and when we see the size of the angle here, we find that this is 60 degrees angle. Okay? Now 60 degrees angle, if we divide into two parts, it will give us what? 30 degrees. For two parts, you can just open again your compass and then just draw an arc. Sorry guys, this is, let me just draw here an arc. Okay, I think we should take this off, it's disturbing us. Okay, now this point guys, if you join this point again with the starting point here, this angle which you get, it's what? 30 degrees. We are only interested in 30 degrees angle. Okay, next angle I want to draw, like I want to draw a 40 degrees angle, okay? So let me just use straight away protractor to draw 40 degrees angle, which is here. When you join the starting point this is our triangle which we are going to discuss today, and we will use also this triangle to learn sine rule. Let me call this point on top C, and I said this is 30 degrees angle. Do you remember?
Yes.
And this angle is
40
degrees. Okay, tell me, what is the size of this angle? If this is 30, this is 40, the size of this angle? I didn't hear. 110. Okay. Our AB side is what? 3 centimeters. Okay. Guys, any triangle, just for you to understand, This is just a triangle. It's not right angle, triangle. Let's say this is C, this is angle A, and this one is angle B. Do you have names of three angles? Do you have names of three angles? But three sides. Do you have also names of three sides? Yes. What is the name of this side? BC, AB, AC. But in sine rule, what do we call this line? Small a. Because it is opposite to angle A. Are we together?
Yes.
This side. Thank you. This side. Small. We learned how to name our sides. Are we together?
Yes.
Okay. Now, according to this, the way we gave names to the sides, what do you think? What is the name of this side?
Small c.
Small c. Very good. So only one side is given, which is small c. Okay?
Yes.
This side is called what? This one? Are they given? They are not given. Okay. They are not given. Can we just check how long are they? What is their length? Let us measure them. When we measure this, it's what? 2 centimeters. And this side 1,6 or 1,7, approximately 1,7 centimeters. It's just approximate. Okay? Before we go to practical questions, I want you to learn sine rule. What is sine rule? Okay. Again, let's draw any triangle, not right angle triangle. Let's give names. Which name do you want to give here? Anything. Okay, A. This one. Okay. C. 3 angles. Okay. Do you have names of the sides? Do you have names of the sides?
Yes.
Did you give names to the sides? Not yet. Okay, this side is this one. This side. Okay, very good. Guys, we want to prove sine rule. But what is sine rule? Okay, let me write sine rule. Our sine rule is sine A divided by small a is equals to sine B divided by small b is equals to sine C divided by small c. This is called sine rule. What is sine rule?
Sine A divided by small a is equal to sine B divided by small b is equal to sine C divided by small c.
Let's prove it. Okay? Whether is it correct? How are we going to prove this rule? It's simple. Again, we have to go back to right angle triangle. Okay? Always right angle triangle helps us. How it is going to help us? Let me drop a perpendicular line from angle A. Here. What do you see now? When I drop perpendicular, you know what does it mean? Perpendicular line makes two right angles only, okay? So this is 90 degrees, this one is also 90 degrees. If I say this is a perpendicular line, are we together? This perpendicular line, what is it that it is doing now? It is
Bisecting.
bisecting, okay. It is dividing our triangle into two right angled triangles. Let's give this point a name. Which name do you want to give? D? I don't have a problem. If you say D, we can give a name D, okay? You said you see two right angle triangles, okay? Can you name them? Which ones? Can you please name them? Yes? Thank you. You wait a minute. You said triangle ABD. And which other triangle do you see, guys? ACD. There are two right angle triangles. Okay. Let me call this line what? H. Okay. To make it interesting now, let's take sine of this angle. Sine B. Let me say sine B is equals to what? And sine in this triangle, sine what? C is equals to what? Okay, now let's see. Sine B is equals to what? You know sine ratio. What is ratio of sine? Opposite over hypotenuse. What is opposite here? Small h. What is hypotenuse here?
C.
Small c. Okay. Here, what is your opposite in this triangle?
H.
Divided by what is your hypotenuse in this triangle?
B.
Small b. Okay. I just want to, guys, cross multiply. Mathematical operation, okay? Two fractions. When there is equal sign between two fractions, what we do? We cross multiply. Let's cross multiply. What do we get? Small h is equals to sine b times c. Small c. Am I right? And this side, guys, if we cross multiply, what do we get? H is equals to, yes, sine c times what? Small b. Okay, no problem. This we can call it equation 1 and this one is equation 2. Let me write equation 1. H is equals to sine b times c. Second equation is sine c times b. You know algebraic rule. When there are two equations, if their right hand sides are equal, we can equate left hand sides. And if the left hand sides are equal, we can equate right hand side. So can I say sine b times c is equals to sine c divided by, times c. Okay. I equated these two. Any issue? Okay. Guys, I want to shift this c to the other side and this b to the other side. Can I do that? Okay. I am bringing this b to the other side and you are left with sine c only on the right hand side. Okay. I want to shift this c to the other side. When I shift, sine b divided by b is as it is equals to sine c. What did I say, guys? We are going to bring this c to the other side. It comes here. Are we together? Yes. Now look at this one and look at this one.
Same thing.
Okay.